Air Force ASVAB exam questions. To find distance. Distance/speed plus distance/speed equals total time. Two variable equations. Example, x plus 3 equals y 3x plus y equals 7. You know y equals x plus 3, so plug it into the next equation. 3x plus 3 equals 7. Simplify to solve. 4 times plus 3 is equal to 7. Subtract 3 both sides. 4x equals 4. Divide 4 both sides. Answer x equals 1. Converting improper fractions to mixed numbers. Divide the numerator by the denominator. 7 halves. Ask, how many times can 7 go into 2 evenly? Answer is 3. How much is left over? 1. The remainder of the numerator of the fractional portion of the mixed number and the denominator. Keep denominator same. Answer, 3.5. Circumference formula using radius. C equals 2 pi r radius. Rectangular prism's volume. Formula, V equals LWH, length width height. Alternate exterior angles. Angles that lie outside a pair of lines and on opposite sides of a transversal. Converting a whole number into a fraction. Multiply the whole number by the denominator and add the numerator. Keep denominator same. 7 and 2/3. 7 minus 3 is equal to 21. 21/3. Add 21 plus 2. Answer, 23/3. Circumference formula using diameter. Circumference equals pi, 3.14. Diameter. Example, diameter equals 9 inches. C equals 3.14 x 9. C equals 28.26 inches. Straight line. (180 degrees). Surface area of a rectangular prism. SA equals 2AB plus 2BC plus 2AC. Combining equations. Example, 12x 9y equals 37. 8x plus 9y equals 23. Add the equations to figure out one of the variables. 20x equals 60. Divide by 20 both sides. X equals 3. Solve for x. Plug 3 into one of the original equations. 8, 3, plus 9y equals 23. 24 plus 9y equals 23. Subtract 24 both sides. 9y equals -1. Divide 9 both sides. Answer, y equals -1/9. Cylinder's formula. Volume. V equals pi r to the second power h. Consecutive interior angles. Two angles that lie between the two lines and on the same side of the transversal. Dividing fractions. Invert, reciprocal, the second fraction and multiply. Example, 1/3 divided by 2 and 1/3 multiplied by January 2nd. Answer, 1/6. Alternate interior angles. Angles between two lines and on opposite sides of a transversal. Adding and subtracting fractions. Least common multiple. To make denominators the same, do the same to the top that you did to the bottom. Add together numerators, while keeping the denominators the same. Simplify if needed. Example, 3/5 plus 3/10. Multiple is 2. 5 times 2 is equal to 10. Common denominator is 10. 3/10 plus 3/10. Multiply 3 times 2 is equal to 6. 3/10 plus 6/10. The numerator's 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. Answer, 9/10. Multiplying decimals. 1. Multiple numbers as if whole numbers. 2. Then count total number of decimal places in the factors and add them. X, 2.2 and 2.33 has 3 total decimal places. 3. Add the total number of decimal places to product. Counting left to right, x, 22 * 233 equals 5126, 5.126. Final answer, prime number. A whole number that has exactly two factors, one and itself. Acute angle. An angle that measures less than 90 degrees. Proportions. Ratio equals 3 to 2. Sell for $150,000. Margaret put more than Julie. How much will Julie get from the sell? M equals 3/5 J equals 2/5 J equals 2/5 cross multiply with X/150 150,000 minus 2 is equal to 300,000 300,000/5 300,000 divided by 5 answer $60,000. Corresponding angles. Angles in the same place relative to the line and transversal. Sphere's formula for volume. D equals 4/3 pi r cubed. Supplementary angles. Two angles whose sum is 180 degrees. Quadrilateral. A polygon with 4 sides, all contain angles totaling 360 degrees. Reflex angle. An angle that is greater than 180 degrees because the angle is bent beyond the straight line. Showing comparisons with ratios. 2 to 1 would be $2 for every $1, same as 2/1. Divide the two numbers. If you drive 240 miles and refill the tank with 15 gallons of gas, the ratio equals 240 to 15. 240 miles divided by 15 gallons equals 16 miles per gallon. Area of a circle. Formula: A equals pi r, radius, to the second power. Find area of 9-inch diameter. Multiply pi by the square of 4.5 because the radius is half of the diameter. Example: A equals 3.14-4.5 to the second power. 4.5 minus 4.5 is equal to 20.25. A equals 3.14x 20.25. Answer: A equals 63.585 inches. Composite number. A number with more than two factors divided evenly by itself and 1. Area of a rhombus. A equals PQ/2, area equals length of one diagonal length of the other diagonal /2, if x shows up on both sides of equation. Example: 3x plus 3 equals 9 plus x. Subtract x on both sides. 2 times plus 3 is equal to 9. Subtract 3 on both sides. 2x equals 6. Divide by 2 on both sides. Answer: x equals 3. Factorial. Represented by an exclamation point. Find the product, multiplying a whole number and all the whole numbers less than it, down to 1. Example: 6 is 6x 5x 4x 3x 2x 1 equals 720. Finding width. (2w plus 2l equals perimeter). Adding and subtracting decimals. Line up the decimal points and proceed as usual. Area of a trapezoid. A equals A plus B/2h. A equals area. A equals one base. B equals the other base. H equals height. Finding area of a parallelogram. Formula: A equals BH, area equals base height. Right angle. (90-degree angle). Multiplying fractions. 1. Multiply the numerators. 2. Multiply the denominators. 3. Simplify if needed. Example: 2/4x 4/6 equals 8/24. 8 divided by 4 equals 2/24 divided by 4 equals 6. Answer: 2/6. Navigating scale drawings. 1 inch 1 mile. Example: if a road map is 1 inch equals 250 miles, how many inches would represent 1,250 miles? Divide the two numbers. 1,250 divided by 250 equals 5. Answer: 5 inches is equal to 1,250 miles. Complementary angles. Two angles whose measures have a sum of 90 degrees. Obtuse angle. An angle that measures more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees.